niga mayanda habwata inse hasomo yakabwa matanga uyorengo koko mwenia homoroki wa weskuru ya secondary ya baisike ya magina uyo sirete bugema bwaye magigayo murero gusamba na gusire nibo henyinge ase nyumba yo buraro ase skuru yo muyogoyo hokorekana sense mu ya gesonso hime ya bonchari e county ya Kisii abangeni go bagikeriga korekyo na kubolia bobisa babanyanyimbo kwangoi obotuki Morikito Daniel Ontire arogotirwa senchira yobwikirano
kero yomo nyorali baga ligukwanira umuganda nigahorokia amaligae kubotekana no gukwa kwa Laura Kimunto Nyegoti umunyaruka w'imyaka meke boigo omorokiwa uligochwe karanza asa matemwa yekirese gikomena kabere umwaka oyo uyokwete ugukwokorro kubotekana no gwateka kwa muliro ase nyumba y'uburaro ase skuru iga ya baiseke ya magena asibiriro ebyaragwa na borokiwa bekerasi kyaye na borokia nigo bamoteba ko bumorokiwa urenge bumukia na urenge gati yabalia barenge okole buya no nyina samasomo.
To the family, we extend our deepest and the most sincere condolences. We stand with you in this painful moment and share your grief. We feel your pain and our hearts ache with yours. Laura was one in a million, very special and unique in her own way, beautiful way. She was a way of making everything and everyone around her feel special. It is a passage from this life into eternal rest. Our loved one, life mattered. The love shared, the kindness shown, and the memories we hold remain with us. As we mourn, let us also thank God for the gift of their life and find comfort in knowing that God is close to the broken-hearted.
Asense mwende omoroki monene weskuru yabo nigo asa maliga manene akwanire igoro buna amwasemeretie kumwa grade kia omwaka oyo balera na kubolia serikali kubeke mirobolio emekereno yokokeania na gusire bikore binga bunebiga asa matukale bosio wetera asa kubwaterana na bobwatani ao.
Laura was known to everybody, including the newcomers who are grade 10s, but we have no words to express. Staff and the students of Magena Girls, and want to tell everybody that is involved, friends, neighbors, and everybody, we are indeed saddened.
I was among the first people to be at the ground. I never knew there could be such a fatality. So, we mourn with the family. We were here. We want to appreciate that you understood us.
But on a Sunday, my daughter told me what I will never forget. You know, she asked me, Mom, why should you have a small car here? When I want to pass, this your son who are driving, I'll buy you a better car. I'll build you a nice home. And then I changed you from Kisii to Nairobi. That's what Laura told me when she was going. So I have nothing to say. I'm only appreciating all of you, my brothers. They're wonderful people.
Nkurubaterega taseni kiaga tembe kurega se county ya Kisii letere nenguru kwa Daniel Ontire.